Well, hello, this is comrade-Sirius, and, well, we've basically where we ended last episode, with at the huge future gravel processing area. There are two main things missing. One of them is, waste to waste, is the, gravel recycling plant. Because there's definitely an operation we want to include, and it has a similar problem as the gravel. What is it called? The gravel quarries. It has 270 tons of gravel export storage, but it has no engine to push it out. So without it, you're basically just sitting here, and I'm thinking that we should put it here, and we should do it in a way that it will be a 3-to-1 connection. Yeah, something like this. Doesn't need to be exactly like it. And the gravel recycling will basically just go into it. It has an import storage of 40 tons, and for now I think that it's enough. I hope it is enough. When it will show it is not, well, I'll try to do something about it. But what my personal opinion is now that it definitely should be okay-ish to have it connected only this way. Funny thing is, it will also need its own waste containers, or maybe it can get picked up. That waste, the mixed waste that is inside can get picked up by technical services, but I will put it its own anyway. So this is the route, and this will be the connection, and probably a small container stand. How will people get here? That is a good question. We should be able to run. It will be only like one worker going there, so I think it should be doable, especially if we do not forget about making this one working as well. It should be connectable with paths around here. Yeah, it can even go under the small part, which is nice. Now, this is probably too big of a curve for a path. I like that it's smaller. Probably do not need it too small. Yeah, this is something I imagined would be appropriate, right? Once we have this guy, we should have another operation available. One of which should be technical services, because we do not have any around. And as I've been talking about, additional gravel, we will see about it. But I really think it's all right. But we need, well, let's go for technical services. It's not maintenance, it's depots. No, technical services. I will go with the large ones, 15 vehicles. Because these guys should serve for a lot of jobs. For snow removal as well. And we'll need to see about water. We can deliver water here, to be honest. Well, we'll see about it. But this is not the only, like, you know, the only factory that will. The only factory that will get here. So probably it would be safe to assume that these guys will need something for themselves as well. Let me just check about, can we, yeah, I know it must go directly somewhere. Yeah, can definitely connect it if needed. So that's what was worrying me. Yeah, connected, great. Probably too close anyway. I don't like how it looks, but it was sort of nice to make sure, right? Yeah. Even without shift, it can be done. So these are technical services for the gravel quarries. Now the biggest, I'm not saying obstacle, but the biggest factory in here, it is a gravel plant, the cement plant, and I will want it here. But first, let's get back to Harlingen, because what is supplied and has nothing to do? Yep, that's the train construction office. So we'll go with one vehicle for now. But you will come here, you will load a vehicle. We do not select which one, we do not need to. And you will unload it. And we'll go, and then you will go to depot. Like this. What you should? This is the only train we can buy. Well, the only type of trains, we can buy multiple of them. And that's disassembled. Obviously no workshop items, so what do we want? AGMU or MUV? If we are looking at track builders that are here, MUV and AGMUs are here as well. MUV has maximum speed of 55 kilometers per hour, and it builds 12 speed. It has 12 speed level. This one can move faster on longer distances then, but builds only of 10. It has a level 10. So MUVs are slightly better in this regard. Empty weight MUV is lighter. AGMU is longer, so it can carry more materials though. So I will probably go with AGMUs. We can try both of them basically, and we'll see. So disassembled, but let's go with AGMs from Soviet Union. Well, that kind of doesn't worry us. So how is it looking? Everyone out? And we should be coming. Yep. We have it loaded. It looks like a toy. It looks like a toy for our people. Hope it will not act as a toy. Hope it will be useful. So, yeah, 20 workers. They can come in, and as it's looking, this thing is going out. Well, it will eat through some steel. And I should probably change the assignments, like for example now, not notify, but suspend construction. We do not need this branch. At least not now. Same goes for this one. I have no idea how it will go with tunnels, so well, Well, let's do the second one, yeah. It will help us. And I want both of them, so not track builder. I need disassembled. Yeah, this one. So now let's go for the MUV, and we'll see how it will do its job. And I have no idea. It will eat through some steel over time, but the rest of it, except steel, we are making our own. Not electronic components and not steel, but we are not building an electrified rail. The biggest drawback from now is that this station, well, this, what is it, rail construction office, is, you know, quite far. So if you would like to have some exports, we will probably need to build another one. And to be fair, I can even start, if I want to, I can even start with a second one in Brandywine right away. Though I have no idea where I want it. And I would like to have our own gravel first. So, well, that's about it. Which brings me to this part. We probably need a railroad crossing at some point. Do we need... Well, we need to bridge to go somewhere, but I have no idea where it will go. I'll probably just leave some area between those rails and road. It would be probably advisable to smoothen this area a bit as well, so roads do not have many bumps. Yep, this could kind of work. Yep, let's connect these guys and, well, let's go with this. Place one worker. Yeah, here's our pavers. Here is a roller. Wow. Let's keep those people there because they are unemployed. Well, not. I don't want them there because they are definitely not needed. Let them build other stuff first. Yeah, for example, this one. And just to take a look, so I know, do we need or want technical services in this area, or do we have one? We have IMAX. We have import-export office, but we do not have technical services. Which is probably something that should have been done. Oh, well, they are not where I've been looking for them. Well, the question is where to put them. We can still erase, you know, it's medium field. Probably a good idea because we will not need too many fields. Anyway, and we can use technical services. We do not need them now, but we will need them. We will need them later. Which reminds me, the crops factory, no, the food factory to be on. Let's be nice and give it containers. Can we place them? We can place them on the edge and probably just, yeah, we can definitely go with smaller ones. Yeah, like something like that. Yeah, this is a connected road. Okay, we do not need it there. And this one is finished, so research program is finished. So what does it mean? These guys can definitely go back home faster. Because once they leave, I can definitely destroy this temporary office I built for them. Yeah, I want to demolish this building. You are absolutely right, and I cannot remove that point, so. Well, for many people it would seem obvious, but I'm not many people. I need Captain Obvious to point out things to me. Well, these guys are almost done with asphalting the long piece, so I'm thinking about assigning them this long one. I probably can. Yeah, let's do it. Some vehicles are on the road. Not anymore. Remove. And... yep, it's done. All the way to the end. Okay, 4-1, because it's a really long one. Notify me when you're finished. Can we like do this, for example? 4-5, yep. That's definitely something for our people from the city. The fuel is done. Well, we will need fuel in this storage anyway. Can I just do it with a cistern? An oil tank. That's the total capacity. Still the largest one. 11. This one is faster though. Okay, let's get 2 of those. You will load in customs house. You will load fuel, so we are not confused, and you'll unload. Can you unload fuel here? I'm really curious, I have no idea. Not bitumen fuel, I told you. Well, let's see. We cannot because building is without power supply. Okay. That's definitely something we want to address sooner or later, probably sooner. And we will need to do it for this area as well. Yeah. Obviously not now because we won't have too many crops. And yeah, we are out of crops. So we probably can stop the bus line that's going here. Am I right? Well, they could start making brakes, but... yeah, so it's definitely in progress. Okay, let's close that thing down. Sadly, we need more crops. Oh, they've been able to acquire this one as well. Yeah, this is the only one connected. Well, growing process, why not? Why not in the end? Well, once this is done, it would be cave. And yeah, let's finish this area. Let's finish the cement plant. If I am about to choose, I would go with the large one. It has 200 tons of gravel import. So that's another 200 tons on top of what we have. I think I'm okay with it. What we will have though, not too much of pollution. Some coal, not bad actually. I think I'll go with this one. Well, for the future, if we would need anything, let's just add this engine. So there is actually something filling up that cement plant. Now place the cement plant and place it like this. Because that seems like a good idea. We do not have free excavator, are you fucking kidding me? Where are those losers? Well, they're not here, obviously. There's nothing here. Got 2 cranes, alright. Where are they? Oh, probably not here then. We really do not have nothing, right? Yeah. Well, we'll need to wait a bit then. Unfinished roads? Oh yeah, those are the small pieces, yeah. I now understand. Is no one in the city working? Well, they are there. Those people are somewhere else, definitely. Well, let's do the power then. Yeah. And to be fair, let's start with this area because this one is definitely in need. What we need is power, water, especially for this factory, and we need sewage. Like, we can do sewage into this switch if we would be able to connect. It looks like that by adding it here, we can. Similar thing would be with water, and the fact that we have a water tower here should help us. Are we able to do similar stuff with water? We are. Though it would be probably better to have it connected the other way. Like this. Okay, so let's go around. No, somewhere. Something like this. Well, we can go alongside the field. Nothing wrong about it. But what we will need to do is to build a switch, water switch down here, and to break these pipes. So, yeah, assign demolition, city demolition, okay, because there is no excavator, and there is probably a no van at all as well. Do we have an excavator? We kind of do. Okay, can I just load you onto this thing? I cannot. Go. I want to see. I want to see if you can do it. Yes, I can send people there and they will dismantle it. But I'm just curious if it will work. Without people. It will. It will because they are going, that's the only reason. I don't think we needed it, but well, it's nice as well. We got a little problem on this line. Yeah, because this guy has... I was thinking like they are not catching up, but he has another problem. Where are you? Yeah. You have a construction waste. How did you acquire a construction waste? Well, wait until unloaded is not a good part. Can you just go and unload it? Yeah, probably not. Well, if it's construction waste, then you can go and unload construction waste in this building. Will it work? Because I just want to see it being there. Because there's no point in him internally standing there. No, it is. Okay, it is working, so good. We got a road done. That's fun. Someone would say probably that it's too late, because no one can sow on these fields. But I don't feel like it's too late. The good part about this is that these small bits can be constructed. And that these guys should probably be able to search for them on their own. So, how is it with our rail? Yeah, they got problems. Yeah. Oh, and I got wooden rails. All right, because so these ones, obviously. The good part is that they are able to overflow. But they are building steel framing. Okay. Yeah, that's these panels on the back. Yep, signal's working, and hopefully they will work in the future as well. I'm really curious about how those tunnels will turn out. And for the sake of it, I probably do not want them to build these giant things under. So, well, we can leave these. Just don't move on these bits. So I see that they are stopped, right? At least I should see. And that's the end. Because we are missing vehicles. They are all working on these small bits, which is definitely a short-sighted thing from me. Yeah. Excavators are not too fast with roads. It's not a big difference. They are definitely slower than other vehicles. Are you coming with 8 workers? Yeah, so they should finish it. Well, let's let them finish. Let's leave them let's leave them to it, and well, hopefully see you some other time when we are going to finish the cement plant and all the things regarding it. Maybe the next episode. Well, who knows. Anyway, have a nice day and see you soon.